Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lynn. Today I'm going to show you 2 recipes in my cookbook, plant-based recipes and meal options. And we're going to make the spicy chili cheese sauce and the fresh pico de gallo salsa topping. So it's very easy to make a really nice creamy sauce to put on anything that you would put grated cheese on, or to have that really flavorful cheese flavor. So in my book I have 2 recipes for cheese sauce, a spicy chili cheese sauce and a zesty cheese sauce. So this one has kind of zesty flavorings in it with the chili powder. So the first thing I did is I put in 3/4 a cup of raw cashews in my Vitamix with a 1/2 cup of water, and I've let it sit for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of roasted red bell peppers. These I get at Winco, Trader Joe's has them, whatever. You can find them. They're just roasted red bell peppers in liquid. It's not in oil. And I'm going to add those. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I have this wonderful lemon squeezer. I highly recommend using fresh lemon juice. And then I have a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to blend that up. And then I can chill it and it will get thicker. You can make it. You can use no salt at all if you want. There's a really nice salt substitute called Table Tasty, Benson's Table Tasty, you could use instead of the salt. Or you could leave the salt out and just add a little bit of this chili lime seasoning blend if you'd like. This has a little bit of salt in it, but it has lime and other flavors. It's really good. This is from Trader Joe's. So we're going to set that aside. And then we're going to make the pico de gallo. Okay, I'm going to put it in my food processor for a few minutes. You don't need to do that, but I like to kind of, just for a few seconds, chop it up. So that is on page 213. And I have 1.5 cups of diced tomato. I just have some little grape tomatoes. 1/2 cup of diced red onion. 1/2 cup of diced red bell pepper, 1 garlic clove pressed. I have my little presser here. You just want to make sure that these are very small little pieces. And then I have 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 small jalapeno pepper without the seeds, or if you want it hot, you can add the seeds. And then 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Oops. So I'm going to just pulse this. make a very well blended, kind of chops the tomatoes up and the jalapenos. You can buy ready-made pico de gallo in the store, but it's very easy to make. Now you could just chop it up small and have it, you know, without blending it if you wanted to. So I'm going to show you how you can put together very easily a really nice plate. I cooked this potato in the microwave, and I heated up some black beans. I have some broccoli I cooked, just briefly, steamed. And one thing about this program, you want to have a lot of vegetables. And then we would put pico de gallo on top. We could put the cheese sauce on the broccoli, on that, and some avocado slices. And there you have it. Something really simple to eat. So you can use the cheese sauce for anything that you would use cheese for. It's great for burritos. It's great on beans and rice. You can mix it with pasta. The pico de gallo is a wonderful topping to be able to just add a lot of flavor. You can make it and it will keep in the fridge for probably 3-4 days. It's just a really nice topping that adds a lot of flavor. If you want not a lot of heat, you cannot put the jalapeno in there. And this is just a suggestion of how you can use my cheese sauce and make a really nice meal with it. And I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time. Happy cooking.